Where's the other hand?
Oh, it's my fuse.
What kind of dog is that?
It's a piranha.
Piranha? I thought piranhas were fishes.
Piranha.
It's a Pomeranian Chihuahua.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh,
wow.
Huh.
That's why I call it a
That's
piranha.
a cool.
Pomeranian Chihuahua.
Cool.
Piranha.
Hey guys, I gotta share with you. This is pretty cool. It's a bike. It comes with a motor. How many cc was it?
66.
66 cc engine with a chain drive. You see the guard goes down there. You have to configure the certain little parts on it. Just over $2, less than $3. Comes complete with everything. There's a little bit of assembly required.
Which is fun.
And what'd you say, 100 miles to the gallon?
Yeah.
And it's a half-gallon tank up there. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I would consider one of these. It's got its own little exhaust muffler down there, which is much bigger than I thought you'd find on such an engine, but yeah, it's nice.
And the guy on eBay, he's out of here in Tucson.
Really?
So it's low. Yeah.
So you can get it locally. You don't have to even have a general delivery or nothing.
Yeah.
Oh wow. And it's easy to store away if you need to.
Yeah, it'll fit right in the back of my trailer.
Yep. These two wires must be for a speedometer or something?
No, that's part of the kill switch. That wire into that fitting down there where the other two.
Oh, and then it's got a throttle on the handlebar here. A twist, just like on a bike.
And a clutch.
And a clutch?
Yeah. So you can, yeah.
That's cool. Hi there, Dougie.
It makes it easier to get it moving, to start it.
Oh, yeah, it's just got to be rolling.
Yeah.
Well, that is cool.
They've redesigned over the years, and this is so much better than when I was younger.
Improved?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember back in the 70s.
Yeah.
Certain older folks in my neighborhood, they would,
Yeah, when we get too lazy to pedal in our old age.
Yeah. Back when you could have a bike shop out of your house and it was no big deal, and you were the known guy at 3,000 town population. Huh, this is really cool. Watch this, guys. My sleepy baby. Are you sleeping? Are you just faking sleeping? Your eyes are closed, but your tail's moving. Oh, stretch. Those big paws. Is that how you're saying hi to our YouTube viewers? You're so funny. This is Texas. Look at the markings. She is so cool. You don't see that too often, do you? Well, we're working ourselves out to sleeping zone number 2. Actually, this one's number 1, and the first one was number 2. That's her favorite spot. They're both favorite. Yep. Taking another nap. And the third spot is under the bed. She has a huge compartment underneath here that's about 3 feet by 4 feet deep. Actually, it is 4 feet. 3 feet by 4 feet and about 19 or 20 inches tall. And she just loves that spot when we're on the road. Sometimes she'll go under there, or she'll just go on the bed. This van was pretty much built around her. That's why we got the ceiling fan and the solar power. It was for her more than it was for me. But yeah, she does like to be up there too, which is like it's a shelf, a cloth shelf system that's made for RVs. You can see how she ripped it apart getting up there over the time.